Okay, one more. Okay, now you're all by yourself. Now you got a problem. Okay, now you just wave it around your head a little bit. And go Yahoo! Okay, Grant's turn. Kira. Jen, you blend right into that shed. Can you get up?
I don't know. Yes.
There you go.
There you go. Okay, grab a hand and pull. Okay, there you go. Here, now hold on to this.
That is awesome.
All right, now you got to do the Yahoo.
Yahoo?
Yeah, wrap your hand around your head.
Something like that.
There, go Yahoo! Okay, a little bit more enthusiastically. Like, woo!